How to add TikTok videos or how to save TikTok videos to camera roll without application. Well, hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, let me guide you through the steps on how you can add TikTok video to camera roll without the application. Well, first things first, what you want to do is you want to proceed to open up your web browser. Now, if you have the application, you can do it, of course, to the application. But since you want without the application, you can head into tiktok.com. Now, you will need the link of the video or you will need the video. If you're on the web, if you log in, if you find the download option, you can download it directly from the web by tapping on share. But since I have TikTok, it is urging me to download TikTok. However, you can also tap on share directly on the web and download it. If that option is unavailable in your case, then what you can do is you can copy the link. So copy the link of the video. You can tap on share and copy link, or from this down below, you can proceed to copy the link either ways of the video, right? You need the video link, right? Then you can head over to any TikSaver or such, the downloading applications for TikTok videos. You can paste the link there. I'm unable to show you here, but you'll be able to download that way as well. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe.